Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a background in CapCut. Whether you are creating a vlog or a tutorial, a great background can make your video stand out. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app. Click on Create Project. Now import your video. Click on Import. Once you have imported your video, drag it to the timeline like this. Now in order to add a solid background, click on Library. Scroll down. You can see background right here. Click on it. From here, select the background you want to keep in your video and drag it to your timeline just below your main video. Keep the ratio to 16:9. As you can see, your background has been added to the video. Once your background is in place, you can resize, crop, or apply effects to make it fit perfectly. To do this, click on the background and scroll down and click on Blend. You can adjust the opacity from here like this. Once you have adjusted the opacity, it will look like this. And that's it, you have just added a background to your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.